Hi there. Here is a beautiful poster design for a burger shop. It's look very good, but could you see the layers panel? The layers are so messy. By the way, let's see how we can organize our Photoshop layers with just a single click. First of all, go to the layer panel and click on the last layer. Now hold down shift key, go to the first layer, click on the first layer icon. Now it has selected. Now right click on the selected layers, then choose layer cleanup. Now click on the check mark on the delete empty layers. If you think that your layers are filled with some empty layers, then click on the check mark and then rename layers. You have to must check on the rename layers. Now click on the drop down menu and choose from here selected layers. Then click on the apply. You have to wait few seconds. It is done. Now see the layers panel. Every layers are renamed automatically. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.